So my mission up here, because it's raining, it's actually raining here in Las Vegas just a little bit. There were puddles on the ground when I woke up and came outside, but I want to see if there's any kind of different wildlife about. So that's my mission. Look for wildlife, enjoying the rain. It's raining. Come on out. What is this place? Is this a desk? Is this a fossil? Well, I made it back to the parking lot just in time. The rain is really starting to pick up here. Didn't get to see any canyon bats or any other creatures, but I could smell it. I can smell the rain here.